Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to clean the base and the touch screen on your THERMOMIX TM7. In order to clean it properly, it's best to turn it off first by pressing and holding on the power button. Then remove the bowl, and also it's best to unplug it from power. I won't do it now because I won't actually be cleaning it. Now make sure to, if you want to use a damp cloth, feel free to do it, but make sure it's damp and not wet, not to wet the device. Now you should wipe off the top here gently, as well as the touch screen. Now you can flip your device over and clean it from the bottom. Also be gentle about it, and once it's cleaned you can simply put it back, let it dry for some time, then plug it back into power, put the bowl on top, and you can turn it back on. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.